Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to report income from a real estate investment trust on Turbotax in 2025. This is gonna be a quick one, so let's just jump straight into the video. The first step will be to gather necessary documents. So you want to go ahead and collect your real estate investment trust income statements, including your Schedule K1. And once you have those, next step is going to be to sign into your Turbotax account. So go on Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. Now once you're signed in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your real estate investment trust for. Next, you're going to choose income and then just select the real estate investment trust income as your income type. Next, enter your total real estate investment trust income, including any dividends, interest, and capital gains. Next, you're going to claim any related deductions such as real estate investment trust expenses or charitable donations. Final step is going to be to review your real estate investment trust income report, and if it's accurate, then just make sure that everything is as it should be, and if it is, you go ahead and submit it to the IRS and they're going to take care of the rest for you. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a real estate investment trust on Turbotax. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next